thoughts and I know what's in your heart. I have to go now, the cops are on the way, and I haven't got a license, but I've got a lot to say. Don't give up on your dreams, boy. Don't give up on your dreams now, buddy. Don't give up on your dreams, boy. Don't give up on your dreams now, buddy.
Do you feel that thirsty sensation? Arid agitation, you need a chilled libation, crisp filtration, dehydration, rejuvenation, aquatic purification. So take a sip from Ashley's Hydration Station.